Okay, class, today this video is for tutorial 6 in your homework, case problem 4 on page 387. So basically it asks you to bring up a bunch of worksheets. We're only, for this video, I'm going to be only working from the Southeast workbook, but you're going to have to do the same steps in all of the workbooks. So you'll have cubed ice northeast, cubed ice southeast, and cubed ice Midwest. Those are the three worksheets that we're going to be working from currently. So the first thing you have to do is you want to group them together, and the operation to do that is on page 330, grouping worksheets. But the easiest way to do that is, so if I click down this worksheet here, hold down the shift button on your keyboard and click the last one, so it highlights all four of them together. You also get green little bar at the bottom, and there'll be white background. So basically this operation is for worksheets that are similar. So when I go through them, they look the same. So shift and click them all, and then any change that we make on the first one here, Toscani, basically it will make the same exact changes on the rest of the worksheets. So if you're working out different worksheets, this is one way of saving time rather than going through each individual one. So 4B, calculate the bonus sales for each month using formula gross sales minus target. A bonus will be paid to only those over this amount. If the salesperson did not sell more than the target, he or she receives no bonus. Hint, use the if statement and absolute cell references. Alright, so I'm going to help you out with this one a little bit. Equals if, then we need some parentheses, so that's going to be gross sales minus target sales. So right here, again, a video that I posted previously, if you hit F4, it'll change it to the absolute value, but we're not done. So then it'll be greater than 0, comma, B4 minus B, and then we'll just do $sign this time, 20, comma 0. Okay, so it should look a little something like this. This is manually put it in. If you want to try it with the if statement, with the if formula through the formulas function, you could try that. So then we have 0. We want to drag it all the way down to the bottom, and then there we go, the change force. So the next part of it was we need to find the bonus amount. So the bonus amount should be bonus sales times bonus rate. And then it says hint, remember to use absolute cell references. So again, equals C4, so bonus sales, and then don't forget to multiply it. So throw an asterisk in there, and the B19. And then if we hit F4, that changes it to the absolute cell reference, and then hit enter. That's your answer, so we'll drag it down. Okay, and they'll populate, and then we'll just do auto sum for this. Enter. Drag it on over just to get those sums, and then at this point you'll just want to change this to accounting. And then so we could see all the numbers, we'll just highlight it and expand the column so you can see everything visibly. Then we'll just take away the decimals also while we're in here. And then that's it. So you should be good there. Then the next step, we want to first give these all these numbers a comma. Then we want to get rid of the decimal places. We want to bold these, and then center them and wrap text. All right. So it should be in the middle there. Something like this. Okay, there we go. So it should look like that. Bring this back over again just to make it the same size as Tuscany Eye, so it makes it a little bit more visible. But that's really what we're looking for there. And then just bold these. Okay, perfect. So then to look at the other worksheets, we just hold down Shift and then get out of it, and you should be able to go through it. Okay, so they're all done. Then we want to make a copy of the first worksheet, and we want to put it right after documentation. So by selecting this, it will put it before Tuscany. And we want to change that to summary. Okay, so we go into summary. First thing we want to do is get rid of Tuscany Eye and put in summary up here so we know which one it is. And we want to get rid of this stuff down here. And then just spread them out a little bit. And then we'll get rid of this data here and just leave the formulas in the bottom part for the auto sums. So for number 5, I received the most emails about this one. It's kind of tricky, but it's kind of the same technique that we just did before. So we need the sum of all of the salespersons down here into one summary sheet. So in order to do that, the formula will be, I think it's easier to do it by hand. It's equals sum. Of course, you'll need your parentheses to show operation. And then again, you come down here without holding Shift or anything. You just click Tuscany. Now you hold down Shift, Duncan. So we want to figure out what basically the sales gross is, or gross sales are. So click that. And then we want to close the operation by adding the parentheses. So I want to hit enter. It'll take us back to our current sheet. Drag it down. And then we'll do the same thing for the bonus sales and the bonus amount. So again, equals sum Tuscany to Duncan by holding Shift, clicking C4 because we're doing bonus sales. Close the operation. Alright, and then we'll do the same thing with bonus amount. Equals sum operation. Click Tuscany, hold down Shift, Duncan. Say we want this one. And then again, we're going to close the operation. Hit enter. There you go. So you should just be able to drag them down. And that's what we're going to be looking for as far as the numbers. Just spread them out as much as you want. There you go. And that's it. So we'll do that with the rest of the workbooks. It shouldn't be too bad. If you have any other questions, just let me know, and I can show another video. But the rest of it shouldn't be too bad at all. And just to reference, to do the 3D reference, if you guys are still confused with it after watching this video, it's on page 342, so you can go ahead and click through, or not click through, but read through that, and hopefully that should clear up the rest for you. But this isn't actually as bad as I thought it was going to be, so again, if you need any help, just let me know what step you're stuck on, and I can shoot out another video to you personally, or again to the class, but it seems like a few people were having problems with this specifically. So good luck, and I most likely will be shooting out a video for tutorial number 7 tomorrow morning, and that way you guys can get started on that. Tutorial 7 is pretty short too, so it shouldn't be too bad. Alright, good luck.